Here it is, guys, the MASHIGAN from Rock Hobby. I'm excited to get this thing opened. See if I got enough room here on my table. Oh, a box in a box. Fantastic. All right, here we go. Nice case. Super nice. Yes. Ta-da! There she is. Let's get this bad boy out. Spare tire, instruction manual. Styrofoam everywhere. Controller. And there it is. The 110 scale MASHIGAN. Now, that to me looks a lot bigger than 1/10 scale, but doors open. Seats are nice and plush and soft. Really nice interior. Spare tire mount. The tailgate does open. Yep. And then the back glass, but it's got tape on it. I'll get that off in a minute. Yep, it's getting caught on the back glass. Let's go around here to the hood. I did notice they changed the grill on this new version. It doesn't have the Jeep grill. It's got like a aftermarket Vader grill or something. I know I will be putting lights in here because I don't see any bulbs in there. It looks like it has bulbs in the headlights. Get this hood opened. And a Rock Hobby brushed motor. But I don't see, you can't see under there, but it doesn't look like it has the servo for the steering wheel. Nope, it doesn't. So this one doesn't have the powered steering wheel like the previous version has. But it's all good. I can make it work. I am going to be pulling this out. The motor's coming out, receiver's coming out, and I'm putting all my own stuff in it. I got a Fusion SE that I'm going to be putting in there, and a radio link receiver and transmitter. Going to be changing out that servo. We'll put a reefs in there, and going to start building this for my wife. It's going to be her Jeep for trailing and going to scale events and such. I'm going to try to decorate this thing out, scale it out. We are going to repaint it. Not sure on the color yet. She hasn't decided on a color, but she did hint at maybe a Joker theme. So that might be cool to paint the Jeep purple or neon green or something, and I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm going to put the Axial CJ7 up beside this thing for size comparison. Be right back. Okay, so this is the Axial CJ7 sitting next to the MASHIGAN. Now, do keep in mind, this is not stock. It has Desert Lizard shocks on it. It's lowered. It does have bigger tires than it comes with stock, but overall suspension is setting lower, so the Jeep is going to set lower than the MASHIGAN. But I think the stock CJ7, it sets about, it comes with 110 millimeter shocks, so it should set about the same height. A stock CJ and this should be about the same height, but it's not really that much bigger. I mean, it's the body's a little bit bulkier. I mean, wider, I guess you could say. But overall, it's not really that much bigger. I think once I take this top off, and I'm gonna change these wheels and tires. I got a set of BFG Proline, BFG KM3s, Predator compound, with the RC four-wheel drive fuel method wheels that I'm going to put on there. This is going to be for my wife. So I actually have a set of Proline Super Swampers on the way. I may end up putting those on it. Haven't really decided yet. I guess we'll just see how fitment goes. Those shocks are really, really small. I thought about maybe fitting Desert Lizards under there, but I don't know if I'm gonna have room for that. The shocks are right there, but it's hard to tell on the video. They're very small, probably 70 millimeter, and they real springy, you know. Maybe I can try to put some oil in them to dampen it up a little bit. I don't know. We're gonna tinker around with it, see how it goes, and you're gonna see a lot of videos of these two out on the trail, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the upgrades that we're doing to this, the paint, the whole theme. We're gonna do the interior and all. So just like I did the CJ, you know, it's got Michael Myers and Jason Voorhees, and kind of did a whole, that's a hand on the front bumper, a whole nightmare theme on this Jeep. I like it. I'm happy with how it turned out. This pumpkin lights up. If you haven't never seen our channel, check it out. You can see the videos of this. This lights up. The heads up here light up too. So yeah, that's what this is my Jeep I built for me. This is my trailing rig. It'll crawl too. Like, this thing will take some crazy lines. And this thing is hopefully going to be the same way, but for my wife. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.